Good morning, students. Today we'll be seeing certain topics in steering system and front axle. So this will be from your fourth unit, okay, third unit, sorry, from your tractors and engine systems. So this angular movement of front wheels is governed by the operators to the system, which is called as the steering mechanism. That will we are going to see. So the main of the steering system is used to control the direction of motion of the vehicle. Tractor follows, which will be done with the help of series of rings used to convert the rotation of steering wheel into change of the axis of the steering wheels. So another main function of the steering system is to provide the directional stability. So this is actually, this angular moment of front wheels is governed by the operator to the system called the steering mechanisms, okay. And the motion of the vehicles becomes steered needs to become straight ahead when the force on the steering wheels is removed. It has to move in a straight one, okay. The design of our steering system should be such that it causes minimum wear on the tires. It shouldn't cause maximum wear, okay. So that is the main purpose. What are the main components? Actually, you do have a steering gear, you have a pitman, all this. Well, the main purpose is when the operator is turning the steering wheel, the motion is transmitted, to be transmitted based on this to a set of gears, isn't it? So the steering system can be classified into the wheel gearing, wheel consists of all wheel gearing, etc. So this is actually the system governing the angular movement of front wheels of a tractor. We call it as a steering system. So this will have to we have to put as such that it is minimizing the effect of application of leverages. Okay, the components we have it as a steering wheel, the steering shaft, steering gear, pitman, drag link, steering arm, tire arm, and also we have a kingpin. Okay, now what it is actually is when the operator is turning the wheels, the motion is transmitted to the gear, steering shaft, to the angular movement of the pitchman. Okay, so what happens actually, we do have a set of gears. The steer box can have different types of arrangements. Okay, the twisting force is also multiplied, which is based on the gear ratio. So the angular moment of pitman is further transmitted to the steering arm through the drag link and also the tire rods. Okay, so these are the some parts, etc. So we do have a respective king links which are part of the step axle. So the moment of the steering arm will be affecting the angular moment of the front wheel, etc. So there's another design also, which is in one pitman you can have one pitman arm and also the drag link. So two pitman arms and drag links are also available. So nowadays we have different models. Okay. Next one we have it as the front axle. Means the front axles we call it as the it's called as a dead axle. Okay, so dead axle is the front wheel will be as power. The front wheels will be rotating on the anti-frictions bearing of the taper rod, and also this is of it is of rigid tubular section, and also it's of made of steel construction. So this will be actually pivoted at the middle center. The pivot beam is housed on this, etc. So as the tractor width of the track width of the tractor is adjustable, the front axle will have provisions that will be extended on the both sides. Okay, so to this front axle permit the wheels to be turned on the steering gear, the steering spindle, and also the steering assemblies will be hinged at the end of the axle. Okay, so the pin that forms the pivot of this hinge, we call it as a steering wheel. How the front axle adjustments are, the front wheels must be in the correct alignment. Okay, the front wheel alignment will be actually based on your Caster Campbell, kingpin inclination, toe in, toe output, etc. So we have two adjustments, track width adjustment. So depending upon the requirement of the track width only, the axles can be extended. Okay, so track width can be adjusted from maximum to minimum. For example, when you take it as sport tractor. Whenever the track with this adjusted, the wheel toe in must also be checked, and also it has to be corrected. Okay, we can have also toe in adjustment. That is, the front wheels will be slightly drawn to the front side in such a way that the distance between the front side is slightly less than the back side. Okay, thank you.